Good morning, world. Good morning, world. This is Rara Coco, your favorite finance hunter, stock hunter 24/7. I send alert directly to my subscriber's cell phone, super fast, super quick. Now, take a look at this stock who is currently exploding little by little, and yours truly have identified that today. NVOS is identified today on my private Discord that is about to explode. Would you like to know our starting time? Okay, I will tell you what is our starting price. All right, I will let you know that our starting price are at the very, very low price. This is what happens when you have me, Rara Coco, as a stock hunter, providing ideas and awareness directly on your cell phone, super fast, super quick. And here you go, the stock is exploding, and we got a starting price of let me show you that, with regards to NVOS, and I will provide a receipt. First is I'm going to tell you the starting price, and I put a message in there letting everybody know as an awareness only. I'm not asking them to buy, hold, or sell. Okay, our starting price are very, very, very low, and look at it right now. It is exploding. Okay, and here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to show you our starting price on our private Discord. If you are a member of my Discord or a subscriber of my Discord, you would have got this early alert super fast, super quick. Okay, you would have gotten this early alert super fast, super quick. Hold on a second, let me put it right here, and I'm going to show you our starting price. Here it is. So this one, it's not that one, maybe it's this one. All right, here it is. Boom. And where's the second one? Boom. All right, take a look at this. All right, I send the alert today. Okay, NVOS massive kaboom soon enough. This is today's date at 7:48 a.m. I send the alert directly on their cell phone. Okay, and as you notice, the starting price is at 0.3751. NVOS massive kaboom soon enough, 7:48 a.m. 10:04. Okay, and look at it right now. It is exploding. Okay, guys, if you like to become a subscriber on my private Discord, if you would like to become a winner, if you would like to get my alerts early directly on your cell phone, super fast, super quick, subscribe to rarapocopd.com. Okay, rarapocopd.com if you want to get the alert directly on your cell phone. Okay, again, let me show you that. All right, 0.3701. This is the application that I use so that you'll get the alert directly on your cell phone, super fast, super quick. We got kaboom, shakalaka kaboom. Rara Coco, the stock hunter 24/7. You are watching Finance News. Good vibes, man. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification button so that you'll get an update with regards to any stock that I am hunting 24/7. Thank you very much, and may you have love, peace, prosperity, and good health be with you all. FYI, YouTubers subscribe to me. I send alert directly to their cell phone. Other Discord subscribe to me. I send alert directly to their cell phone. Individuals around the world, I send alert directly on their cell phone. Thank you very much. May you have love, peace, prosperity, good health be with you all. This is not financial advice. I am not asking you to buy, hold, or sell any of this stock. This is just for awareness and ideas only. Thank you very much and have a great time.